Good morning, children. Today we have to study about freedom study. For the last 6 days, we have been learning about the lesson freedom study. Now we have to study about non-cooperation movement. We have to learn or we have to study about non-cooperation movement. Non-cooperation movement was launched during the year 1920 period. In the year 1920 period, non-cooperation movement was launched by the Congress Party. In that meeting, Gandhiji was also there. In that meeting, who was there? In that meeting, Gandhiji was also there. And Gandhiji and the Congress Party decided not to cooperate with the British people in any field. Gandhiji and Congress Party decided not to cooperate with the British people in any field. So, the method of or the style of making no cooperation with the British people are known as non-cooperation movement. They decided not to cooperate with you. They decided not to cooperate with the British people. That was known as non-cooperation movement. So, Gandhiji and Congress Party told, what they told? Gandhiji and Congress Party told that whatever may be the case, in any respect, what was that? In any respect, we should not participate in, we should not cooperate with the British people. That was known as non-cooperation movement. Then, so many advocates left the court. What did so many advocates and other employees who were there in the court of India left the court. That means the court was under the control of whom? The court was under the control of the British people. So many Indian advocates and other employees of the court left the court. Then education institutions. What are the educational institutions were there in the land of India. British people established so many education institutions in India. Some of them were English medium schools and colleges. And madrasas were there. Madrasas were the educational institutions which were established by Muslim people to teach the Muslim children. And Hindu Padashalas were there. Hindu Padashalas were established by the Hindu people in order to teach Hindu Purana, Vyakarana and mathematics to the Hindu children. all the students and teachers who were working in these institutions, all the people who were working in these institutions, what they did? They left the education institution. Students left the education institution in order to participate in the freedom struggle of India. Students left this one in order to participate in the freedom struggle of India. Teachers left in order to participate in the freedom struggle of India. So, and legislative assemblies. What is that? Legislative assemblies were there. Some Indians were members of legislative assemblies. Some Indians were the members of legislative assemblies. And Gandhiji and the Congress party told them to resign from the legislative assemblies in order to show that we are not at all cooperating with the British people. Then, in the non-cooperation movement, all the people participated. What is the meaning of this one? In the non-cooperation movement, all the people really participated. All the people of India really participated. All the people. People from even the villages also participated in the non-cooperation movement. Ladies and children, government employees also participated in the non-cooperation movement. So, non-cooperation movement was a mass movement. Non-cooperation movement was a mass movement. What is the meaning of mass movement? Mass movement means people from different categories participated in the non-cooperation movement, mass movement. People from various categories or people from different categories participated in the non-cooperation movement. So, before the Quit India movement happened in the year 1942. Before the Quit India movement, non-cooperation movement was the biggest movement that happened in the land of India. Non-cooperation movement. And Tagore avoided his knighthood. Tagore avoided his knighthood. Kaiser-e-Hind. British people had given one award to Rabindranath Tagore, that was known as Kaiser-e-Hind. That was known as knighthood. Knighthood award was given to the British people by Tagore. That is one speciality. And Gandhiji also got one award from the British people. That was known as Kaiser-e-Hind. The award Kaiser-e-Hind was given to British people by Gandhiji. That means Gandhiji and Congress party decided that whatever may be the case, that is, we will not cooperate with the British people. Whatever may be the case, we will not cooperate with the British people. That was the idea of Mahatma Gandhi and Congress party. Then, during this time, what Mahatma Gandhi told? Mahatma Gandhi told clearly that what they told. During this particular time, Mahatma Gandhi clearly told that non-cooperation movement should be based on ahimsa or non-violence. But during 1922 period, during 1922 period, what happened? A group of people in Uttar Pradesh, in a place known as Chauri Chaura, were conducting a march. They were conducting a meeting. But suddenly, police people from that area began to attack the common farmers of Chauri Chaura. Farmers became very angry. They destroyed the police station and killed so many police people. So this was against the idea of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi had clearly told that our freedom struggle should be based on non-violence. That was the idea of Mahatma Gandhi. So when Chauri Chaura incident happened, Mahatma Gandhi became very angry. He cancelled non-cooperation movement. British people arrested Mahatma Gandhi and kept him in jail. Not only Mahatma Gandhi, so many freedom fighters were arrested by him. They were arrested by the British people in the name of non-cooperation movement. This is about non-cooperation movement. See, what is the meaning of this word? Non-cooperation movement started in the year 1920. Congress party and Mahatma Gandhi, both of them. Congress party and Mahatma Gandhi joined together and they started non-cooperation movement. Then what happened? Non-cooperation movement was a movement in which Indian people were not at all cooperating with the British people in any field. First of all, so many Indian advocates, lawyers, and other employees of the court resigned from the court. Then they participated in the non-cooperation movement. They really participated in the non-cooperation movement. And so many education institutions were there in India. Those education institutions were under the control of the British people. So, teachers and students and other employees of Indian schools left their schools and joined with the non-cooperation movement. And legislative assembly was there in the land of India. Legislative assembly was there in the land of India. So many Indians were members of legislative assembly. They resigned from the legislative assembly and joined in the freedom struggle of India. So, non-cooperation movement was a mass movement. What is the meaning of mass movement? Mass movement means people from different areas, different categories participated in this movement. People from different areas participated in the non-cooperation movement. Ladies, gents, old people, young people, town people and village people, etc. participated in the non-cooperation movement. Tagore was one of the greatest poets of India during that time. He gave knighthood award to the British people gave knighthood award to Tagore. That award was given back by Tagore to the British people. Kaiser-i-Hind was the award which was given to Gandhiji by the British people. Gandhiji returned that award to the British people. And Gandhiji's main idea was to conduct non-cooperation movement in a silent way. That was the idea of Gandhiji. He told that non-cooperation movement we have to conduct in a silent way, or by following non-violence we have to conduct non-cooperation movement. That was the idea of Gandhi. But during 1922 period, a group of farmers of Uttar Pradesh, they were conducting a strike. A group of farmers were conducting a strike in a silent way. But police people began to attack them. Police people. When police people began to attack them, farmers became very angry. They attacked and destroyed the nearby police station. This incident is known as Chauri Chaura incident. Gandhiji became very angry by seeing these things. Gandhiji stopped non-cooperation movement because of Chauri Chaura incident. Gandhiji was arrested by British people, or British people arrested Mahatma Gandhi. British people arrested Mahatma Gandhi. Then what happened? Mahatma Gandhi and other leaders of non-cooperation movement were in the jail of British people. Nehru report. During 1927 period, people from different political parties joined together and they began to discuss about the freedom of India. During 1927 period, what happened? Members from different political parties joined together and they discussed about the freedom of India. Members from different political parties joined together and they discussed about the freedom of India. Then what happened? They demand complete independence. And another thing also they accepted. What they accepted? Motilal Nehru. Motilal Nehru was the person who made this reform. Nehru reform. Motilal Nehru was the father of Jawaharlal Nehru. Motilal Nehru made this report. Nehru report. In this report, it was clearly explained that Indians from different walks of life demanded complete independence. That was speciality of Nehru report. Another thing that we have studied is Simon Commission. Simon Commission. Simon Commission was established here 1927, but it came to India during 1928. Sir John Simon was the head. Sir John Simon was the head of Simon Commission. Sir John Simon. He was the head of Simon Commission. Simon Commission was established by the British government to study about 1919 Government of India Act. To study about 1990 about this, you will study later. Government of India Act. During the year 1919, British people had introduced Government of India Act for the people of India. Government of India Act. This act was known as Montagu-Chelmsford Reforms. This act was introduced in order to satisfy the Indian people. In order to satisfy Indian people, Government of India Act was passed. So to study about this act of 1919, British people appointed the commission known as Simon Commission. During 1928 period, Simon Commission came to the land of India. During 1990 period, they came to the land of India. But in the Simon Commission, Indians were not there. Nobody was there. Only white people or British people were there in the commission. So, Indians became very angry, Indian people. Indians became very angry. They boycotted Simon Commission. They wrote the board Simon go back. They told the slogan Simon go back. British people became very angry. Then what happened? They began to beat the leaders of this movement. Lala Lajpat Rai was there. Lala Lajpat Rai was known as Lion of Punjab. People beat Lala Lajpat Rai miserably. Because of that beating, Lala Lajpat Rai died. So, the death of Lala Lajpat Rai was a real shock to the freedom fighters of India. The death of Lala Lajpat Rai was a real shock to the freedom fighters of India. Death of Lala Lajpat Rai was a real shock to the freedom fighters of India. Lala Lajpat Rai. Another one is Purna Swaraj. Purna Swaraj. During the year 1930 period, Purna Swaraj declaration was made by Lahore section of Indian National Congress. Purna Swaraj idea was made by Lahore session of Indian National Congress. 1930 January 26. During this time, what happened? A meeting of Indian National Congress was held in Lahore. You may doubt how it is possible. Now Lahore is in the land of Pakistan now. Now Lahore is not in India. What we are studying? We are studying about the freedom struggle, freedom movement of India before independence, before the division of India into two. Before the division of India into two, what was the Lahore was there in India only because there was no separate Pakistan country. During 1947 only, India was divided into India and Pakistan. So, before the division of India, Lahore was there in India. So, in the Lahore meeting of International Congress, International Congress clearly declared that we want Purna Swaraj or we want complete freedom. That was the opinion of Congress Party. 1930 January 26. They observed as a day of complete freedom. But that day, Indians did not get freedom. So, January 26 after independence, we declared as the Republic Day of India. This is known as Purna Swaraj or complete freedom. So, what I told us that we are studying about Nehru report. What does it mean? Nehru report was made in the year 1927 period. During the year 1927, Nehru report was made. During 1927 period, Nehru report was really made. Nehru report. During 1927 period, people from all the political parties joined together and they met in one place. In that meeting, what they declared? They declared that we want complete freedom. This report was made by Motilal Nehru. Motilal Nehru was the father of Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru's father's name was Motilal Nehru. This report was prepared by Motilal Nehru and other people. Motilal Nehru was the head of this meeting and they gave that report to the British people. But British people did not mind or consider this one. They did not mind or consider this report. British people really neglected this report. Britishers. They surely neglected this report, which was Nehru report. Simon Commission. Simon Commission was appointed by the British government in the year 1927. and Simon Commission came to India during 1928 period. During the year 1928, the commission came to India. Sir, John Simon was the head of Simon Commission. John Simon. Why Simon Commission was appointed? That we have to know. Why the Simon Commission was appointed, or why the Simon Commission came to the land of India? That we have to know or we have to understand. Why? Because during 1919 period, British government had introduced one reform before independence. That reform was known as 1919 Government of India Act. This reform was known in another name also, that is Montagu-Chelmsford reforms. This was the another name of this reform. But one problem was that in the Simon Commission, all the members were from the land of Great Britain. No Indians were there. So Indian people became very angry. They used one slogan. What was that slogan? Simon, go back. British people became very angry. British police and army began to beat the Indians. British police and army began to beat the Indians. In the police beating, Lala Lajpat Rai died. In the beating, who died? In the beating, Lala Lajpat Rai died. Lala Lajpat Rai was known as the Lion of Punjab. Lala Lajpat Rai. The death of Lala Lajpat Rai was a serious shock to the freedom movement of India. Purna Swaraj. During 1930 January 26 period, annual meeting of Indian National Congress was held in Lahore. In the Lahore meeting, Congress party declared that they want complete freedom, Purna Swaraj. Their Congress party raised the flag of India and demanded that we want complete freedom. But British people were not ready to give complete freedom to the Indian people. So, after independence, January 26, we selected as the Independence Day. January 26, we selected as the Republic Day of India to remember this January 26. Dear children, you observe this video. Read the same copy in the textbook. If you do have doubts, you please call me. Thank you.